Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to everyone. Today, I'm going to show to you about my project assignment, which is a system for a smartphone service center for the company named Hablah Smartphone. This system is used to ease the customer to keep up to date with the price of their service and current smartphone. Why we do this? This is because nowadays people, when they want to keep up to date with new smartphone trend, or they want to service their smartphone, they need to go for shopping mall and find smartphone shop. It's a lot of hassle just to keep track with a trend and to service your smartphone. And with this system, with just one or two click, you can see all the smartphone that are trending at that year, and you can also apply for to service your smartphone. Okay, moreover, the system is also used to ease the staff to keep record of sale, service and stock. Before we create this system, our staff need to record all the data on a piece of paper, Microsoft Word. It's a lot of things to do, and if you mismanage anything, the data of customer may be gone. It will be not systematic for the company. So with this website, we already have database and form to keep all the information in place. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the system. Okay. Alright, this is service that available on this website or on this shop. Okay, this company can change your battery for 80 ringgit. It also can change your ROM, change screen, tempered glass, format, and so on. They also can see the price for their service, and they can also see the description of the service.
Hi there. So, other than services, our shop also sells smartphones, which is from iPhone, Samsung, LG, Huawei, Oppo, and Razer. Next, about us, Hablah Hidayat is a smartphone service and repair company in Tapah. So, we do fix your electronic device from the classic to the latest smartphone. So, you feel better the moment you walk in and came to our technician to repair your device. So you can find us on Hablah Neighborhood Tapah Perak on 69 Jalan Arus 420 Bandar Tapah Berjaya 47100 Tapah Perak. Or you can contact us based on this website. Or you can email us for more information.
Alright, we've settled about this page right here about us, and then we're gonna move to the staff login page right here. Once we click it, we're gonna move to this page. This is priority for the staff to enter the staff section to update the stocks and also the logs of the customers. So we have staff login here. We have login, we have forget, password, cancel, username, and password. So I'm gonna enter my username right here, 2591, and then I'm gonna insert my password. We have forget password here, just in case we forgot our password, and then we click login, and we're gonna enter the staff section right here. So as you can see here, there's a lot of lists for the customer that had come to our shop to get our services. So right here we have the search bar, which is to search this list right here, and once we click submit, it will print the bill of the particular customer. So I'm gonna demonstrate that later. So I'm gonna explain it right here now. So we have the customer ID, which provide here, and then we have the customer's name. We have type of phone, customer IC, and etc. And also we have the option to delete or print the receipt for the particular customer. And also at the very bottom of this page, we have the button of add record to insert another customer. So I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna click submit, and then it's gonna take a little bit to refresh, and then the new log had been added here with my ID. This ID is generated automatically, so it's gonna provide for the next customer this 1111 and 48. And then we have the option to delete the record. So once I click delete, actually I'm gonna click print first to show you guys how it prints the bills. So I'm gonna click print, and then it shows this receipt right here that we can print and proceed. So if I wanna print this receipt, I'm gonna click this print button, or else I'm gonna proceed. I'm gonna click proceed right here, and then if I don't want this this log here right here, so I can just click delete to delete it. Are you sure you want to delete? Okay. Then gonna take a few minutes, and there you go. Just now the customer name AD has been removed. Moving on to the search part. So I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna insert this particular customer. So 1111136. I'm gonna click submit, and then it it has the output of the receipt for the particular customer. See, hello, and then this is the exact customer's characteristic. So I'm gonna click proceed. As you can see, that is the exact customer's details.
Alright, now I'm going to show you the page about stock. This page has three functions. First, this page will display all the stock that have been inserted by the staff. Then we have update stock and edit. Oh yeah, also delete function to delete any stock that doesn't need anymore. First, I'm going to start with update stock, or should I say add new stock. After clicking the update the stock, a form will pop up. We have to insert all the information. Then we click add. After a few moments, the data will be updated, and here is the new data. Next, we can update the information about the stock by clicking edit. An update form will pop up and we can update. For example, I want to change the current quantity of the stock, so I'm going to change it to 40, and then we can update the information. And here, as we can see, the quantity has changed to 40 as we stated in the update form. And finally, the delete button. The button functions to delete any undesired information or current stock. For example, going to delete this, so just click delete and OK. So the previous data have been deleted. Finally, function logout. After we click logout, it will be redirected to the home page. Alright, next I'm going to show you the database. The database name is Hablah, and there are 3 tables in the database, which is customer, staff, and stocks. Right, first I'm going to show you the customer table. In the customer table, there are 12 attributes, which is customer ID, customer name, customer phone, IC, phone number, customer address, date in, date out, customer service 1 until 3, and the charge. As the previous thing, we can see that there is a customer form where the user will input the name, phone, IC, phone number, address, date in, date out, and the service. The charge will be auto generate or will be auto calculated using the programming in the PHP, and the customer ID is also an auto increment primary key. So we can see all the data in here are the same as the customer list in here. Next, I'm going to show you the table for staff. Table staff only function to use for the login session. As we can see here, there's only one data that we've been using for the insert method, for the login method, which is here is the staff ID, the staff name, and the staff password. Both staff ID and staff password will be used in here for the login to the staff interface. And finally, the stock table. Stock table almost the same as the customer. There is 5 attributes in this table, which is stock ID, stock name, quantity, supplier, and date in. Stock ID is an auto increment value as it is a primary key, and all the other information such as name, quantity, supplier, and date in were inserted in the form in the Hablah stock page here. And as we can see, all the information here are the same as here. And that's all for our presentation and explanation about our project CSA 318. Thank you.